Hey guys, before we get into today's upload, I did have to give you a quick update on the car we gave away from the upload from Monday. This is his reaction as he watched the video. This is how he found out he was getting the car. So check it out. If you haven't seen the video, go back and watch it, and a regular video will play after this.
I hope you like it. I love you. I'm proud of you. We're gonna go pick it up tomorrow.
Hey. So the guys thinks.
Can't let him cry. Can't take a week. I'm a man.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and yes, it is a little bit early and a little bit of a dreary day, but we have a car arriving. This is the one I haven't talked a whole lot about it much because I don't know a whole heck of a lot about it. This is the car out of Atlanta. He drove in overnight, and I was hoping to beat him there. I'm not sure if I'm going to beat him there or not, but that car is getting dropped off this morning. From what I've been told, when Dover and I have talked about it, it's pretty freaking awesome. But I mean, we're about to go find out, see what's up with this next swap. See you there.
It's 2018 Shelby Leadfoot Gray.
Oh, no way. Wow.
I guess we'll get it rolled off.
Yeah, we'll take a look at it here in a minute. Alright guys, so you're about to see this car. It is literally in pieces, but this is George from Atlanta, and the car is on a dolly. It's 2018 Leadfoot Gray, like one of the most badass Ford colors ever. So wait till you see this thing. This is freaking wicked.
Get the wheels kicked around. Oh yeah, you got to keep the wheels around. They don't go very nice. Now let me get some grab it side, get it. Huh? Don't pick the front up a little bit here.
Oh!
We on concrete down here. Huh? We're on concrete down here. Yeah, these wheels don't roll good. They roll, but they don't turn it. Hold on. Turn it.
There, yeah, we can drop that down.
Get the jack under it. Yeah, they don't turn it. Yeah. That looks good.
Oh my God, that color. Oh man. Woo.
Door hinges and gaps, all that's already been done.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Step out Cover on.
Yeah, I mean, even this guy even went and bought like all the.
No words. Don't need any.
Nice, 'cause, you know you're gonna find old ones.
Bay is already done. Hold on, let me give you some light here, guys. Bay is done.
That's what I've been saying. We need a Foxbody this color.
Yeah. God bless. All right, guys. So here is the this car basically is coming to us in complete pieces. Now you see that there. You just don't worry about that right now. But yeah, car is completely in pieces. We're gonna put it all back together. George, how'd you end up with this car?
Just looked online
Really?
and I had one back in the day, you know, when
Yeah.
after high
Yeah.
school, and then I just figured I started looking for one, and the guy started the project, ran into some problems, and was looking to sell it as is.
Wow. It's a lot of parts.
Yeah. Well, he did it right as far as painting it.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. So you're wanting, we're going to do a Coyote in it.
Yeah.
And like what else we're doing to it?
Looks like everything. Yeah, everything.
Well, I'm asking because I see the S197 dash over there.
Oh, he had retrofitted that already in there, but it doesn't necessarily have to go that route.
I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. Dover, are you feeling creative today? Because we got that S197 dash over there.
Yeah.
That would be something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful, man. I can't wait to see this thing progress. All right, so going over it. We got the mini tubs already done. So George, we're gonna put some meat under this thing.
Oh yeah.
Maybe some 335, something like that.
Look at that.
All right, we get Ken's official first impression of a leadfoot gray fox body. Super cool. And then another detail we found, backside of the headlight buckets. Hold on, let me give you some light. Backside of the headlight buckets, all smoothed in. The whole core support smoothed in. So this car is going to be absolutely wicked when it's done. A lot of work. Over, where are we going to start? Probably start, just get everything out, and then we got a roll cage to put in it too.
I mean
Is it 6-point or
yeah,
4-point
the
or?
sidebars, you know, they can bolt out.
Okay, yeah. So we got to get a roll cage in it, which is right there. Oh, that's the Maximum
Yeah,
Motorsports.
Maximum Motorsports.
Very nice.
But the thing is, I have
Yeah.
a
So
problem.
we'll probably start with the cage and.
The bottom plate is curved for the regular well. Yeah, regular tub. These are flat. So the guy said you could flatten them out by heating them. Yeah, I'm sure we can. The thing is, I guess that would change where they sit.
It should change.
Yeah.
Because the top
You
one
can
is
see
where
the,
you sit anyways. The other one was
this is
just
gonna be
covered.
fun.
So you lift these up, it still should be sitting at the same.
All right, so we are super excited to get started on this. So George, real quick, we're gonna do Gen 2 Coyote,
Yep.
possibly a VMP
Possibly VMP.
supercharger,
Yep.
and then T56 Magnum
Yep.
trans,
Yep.
and obviously narrowed 8.8 because it's tubbed. Is it gonna be narrowed or?
No. So it's right now it's not narrowed.
Okay.
The rear is standard length.
Good deal. So like, what about the interior? Any ideas on that?
Probably some cargo, you know, some.
Corbos or?
Yeah. Probably not gonna be factory seats or anything. Just
Right.
All black, you know, whatever, black interior and.
Definitely. Any idea on wheels, anything like that?
Not yet. I was
No?
thinking maybe something in the maybe gold. You know, like
That'd be cool.
to offset it, like the honeycomb. Maybe possibly not the honeycomb. I'm not sure yet.
Mm-hmm.
Something.
But something different, something that's gonna set it off.
Yeah, something. Yeah, I don't want black or possibly not chrome. Something to get good contrast.
Yeah. It'll definitely get noticed. I promise you.
These gold magnums.
Yeah, there you go. That would be awesome. Like your Magnums. But yeah, guys, super excited to see this build pop off, and you get to see the whole thing. Like,
Been waiting.
it's gonna be awesome.
Yep.
So start with the cage and the suspension, kind of get it
Torque
mobile.
boxes.
You know
Torque
where we can roll it
boxes.
around?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All these?
Yeah.
So yeah, start with the basics and go from there. But man, we got a super good platform. Bay's done, mini tubs are done, so shouldn't be too long. Get her knocked out. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is build number 1 that has showed up. George's car from Atlanta. So obviously you're going to see this entire build. I am super stoked. Again, he's got the S197 dash. Not sure if we're going to do that or not, but that would be super cool. VMP supercharger. This, I mean, God. And it's mini tub. So like I told you, I know it's been a while. I know you've been kind of getting impatient with me a little bit, but the cars are rolling in. And we got 2 more that'll be here within the week. So keep it tuned right here. You're not going to want to miss this build. Now I want to paint my car lead foot gray. That is the color, by the way. I know everybody's going to ask what color it is. It's Ford lead foot gray. But if you're excited to see this build, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I promise you, it's about to get real. Check in with you later, guys.